now learn how to make a conveyor belt in Roblox. I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna add a part, a block. Go to the size property of the block, change it to 100, comma, 0.2, comma, 8. Hit enter. Let's now move the part closer over here. Change the color of this part to yellow. Make sure it's anchored. Rename our part to conveyor. To turn this block into a conveyor belt is very simple. Just go to the properties of that part. Assembly, linear velocity, expand that. Now if you look up here, you can see that the X direction is the red arrow and it goes to the right. It's the positive direction of the X axis. So here I want to change this to 100. This X component is going to determine the speed of my conveyor belt. So if you want it faster, give it a higher number. And if you want your conveyor belt to move slower, then give it a smaller number. Let's now play test and take a look. I'm going to run in from this end, and it's going to take me to the other end. And there it goes. So that is how you build a conveyor belt in Roblox. It's very simple. And if you like to script it, I'm going to show you how to script a conveyor belt. We're going to go to our conveyor part. We're going to add a script. In your script, just first declare the part, local part equal to script.parent. Now we're going to change the part's assembly linear velocity. We're going to say part.assembly linear velocity. We set it equal to a vector 3. New. And again, we want to set the X component to 100. Or maybe make it faster this time. We're going to set it to 200, comma, 0, comma, 0. Before we play test, I'm going to go to my part now. I'm going to need to turn off the setting that we set earlier. So we're going to go to assembly, linear velocity. I'm going to set this one back to 0 because we're going to use script to change that property now. Let's play test and take a look. We're going to run here and we're going to take a look from high above. Ready? Here we go. It's going to be much faster this time. Whoa! That was fast. And same as when we were making the trampoline, you could have used, instead of assembly linear velocity, you could have used just say part.velocity. And it would give you the same thing. The only thing is velocity property has been deprecated. So for future work, you want to use assembly linear velocity instead of velocity. And that is how you make a conveyor belt in Roblox.